Can Asante Kotoko beat Bibiani Go Stars this weekend? Yes. Can Kotoko beat them with more than one goal? Yes. Can they score Kotoko? Maybe. 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 Point is, that game is going to be very tough. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Daily Porcupine, the ultimate Kotoko fan channel. If you're new here, you know what to do. Subscribe and hit that notification bell. Now, I think Bibiani Go Stars, I think it's going to be more difficult than Belgium United and Dreams FC game, because I think Bibiani Go Stars will want to show everyone that they want to beat, how will I put it, the lion of the league. Yes, because they've gotten 4 points from 2 games, and those aren't small teams that they managed to get that points from. 4, they just drew against Mediama and they won their first game at home. I think it's going to be very crucial, considering their home support is unbelievable. The Bibiani Go Stars home support is unbelievable. So I think it's going to be a very tough game. Now, I know that Bibiani Go Stars are coming from Division 1. I think they shouldn't be underrated. I think Kotoko fans, Kotoko team, Kotoko technical team, the players shouldn't underrate Bibiani Go Stars. They are very good. No, people have been saying that it's unfair that they have to play today and also play in a few days' time because of, the gap, the tightness or the closeness of the fixture. Kotoko had enough chance to rest and all that. I think it's up to them. They agreed with the GFA to shift the game to Tuesday, so I think it's up to them, because personally I don't think there's an issue with that if they agree to shift the game to Tuesday, knowing that they have to play Kotoko this weekend. I think on Friday, I think it's on Friday, so they don't have to complain about it. The point is, Kotoko will have to address all the mistakes they made against Belgium United. Belgium United would have, like I said in the last video, Belgium United would have scored Kotoko in 2 or 3 occasions, but they played pretty okay, and we overcame them at the closing moments of the game. It looks as if it is a perfect team right now that we are scoring late goals. So I think the Bibiani Go Stars game is going to be one that everyone will watch, because they want to see small teams cause an upset. Neutral fans will also want to see the team cause an upset. House of Oak fans want Bibiani Go Stars to win Kotoko. If not win, get a point at least, because they're having a very terrible start to the season. So I think Kotoko will have to be very, very careful. Prosperity shouldn't rely, I'm telling you guys, you shouldn't rely on that last minute goal again. We should get the job done in the first half. I don't think it's something that we should allow to linger on, to allow the teams to play and squeeze goals in the dying embers of the game. I think we just have to be very, very careful. We just have to try and make our plan work in the first half, or maybe not at the end of the game, because if you wait at the end of the game, anything can happen, because they can score you one at the end of the game and that's it. So it's better you score in the first half, keep a clean sheet. I think against Belgium United it was our first clean sheet this season. I think 2 games. First game we considered 1, then we stopped Belgium United that scored 4 goals against Mediama from scoring at the Bayer Stadium. I think that was impressive considering the blunders we made in defense. I think that's pretty impressive. I'm hoping we keep a clean sheet against Bibiani Go Stars, because we just have to be very, very technical. We just have to be very, very disciplined, and we should try and finish the job early, not late as others, because if we leave it late, anything can happen. I keep telling you that we gambled, Dreams FC gambled against Belgium United. Belgium United would have scored Kotoko, but they were unlucky. So I think Bibiani Go Stars will be one of the games to watch this season. I think it's going to be one of the most difficult games. I think it's the difficult game Kotoko will face so far in the Ghana Premier League. Dreams more difficult than, as I said earlier, more difficult than Dreams FC and Belgium United. When these teams, they come to the Ghana Premier League, they want to show you that they can perform. Even if you are coming from Division 1, the coach will be telling them, you guys go there and show them why you came here. And I'm sure that the management of the club and the owners of the club will be telling them, if you beat Kotoko, we'll be giving you this. If you beat Kotoko, we'll give you this. We'll give you this amount. We'll give you this bonus and all that. They will treat the Kotoko game as final. And I wish we Kotoko treat the game as final too, because we shouldn't relax and expect Bibiani Go Stars to respect us, because if we do that, it's a funeral. So I think that game is going to be immense. I think Kotoko will have to, if Kotoko win that game, I'm sure people will start talking, Kotoko mean business this season. If you win your first 3 games, I think you mean business this season. So I'm hoping Kotoko beats Bibiani Go Stars. I'm hoping we do it early, because all this waiting to the end of the game, it increases my blood pressure and it's not good for my health. So I think that's all I have to say about that game. Kotoko just have to be cautious. Don't underrate Bibiani Go Stars. Try to put the right personnel in the team. I don't know if Prosperity will stick to his starting at 11 and continue, introducing the players that can change games and all that. But I think Joseph Amwako, he hasn't done in the last 2 games. He hasn't done enough to, earn a start in his 3rd game. But if Prosperity feels that, oh, this is my plan and this is how it's going to be, no problem as far as we are getting the results. But in my own opinion, Joseph Amwako and Amankona needs to perform very well to cement their spot in that starting 11. I would like to know your thoughts. What do you think about the game? I think Kotoko will find it difficult to beat Bibiani Go Stars, but I hope we do. I just hope we do. I'm sure we are going to beat them if we stick to the plan, and I'm going for a 2-0 win again against Bibiani Go Stars, and I think we are going to keep a clean sheet. Even if Abdul Ghani is with the Black Stars squad, I think Master Ajiman will come in and perform well and give us that clean sheet. So I think that's all for today. If you haven't subscribed, do that right now and click the notification bell. Tell me what you think about the game, because most of you agree that our defense needs to do more against the way our defense performed against Bechem United. We need to do more against Bibiani Go Stars. So I think I agree with you guys, and we really need to work hard and beat Bibiani Go Stars to cement our spots in that top of the table. So that's all for today. My name is Clint Elutu. If you haven't subscribed, please do that right now and hit the notification bell. Till next time, guys, goodbye.
An evenly contested game in the first half. Kotoko came in purposeful, rejuvenated in the second half. Prosperity effecting changes, and Kotoko could have been punished, but Augustine Okra had this ball cleared away by Mubarak.
So that is a wonderful and excellent goalkeeping from Abalora again.
It was Nete who got onto the end of Christopher Nete, causing problems. The moment Kotoko got the penalty, when upon was brought down by Dennis Mozaka.
Yeah, you can see Isaac Okon causing lots of problems for Bechem United, and here again he was being impeded into the penalty area, but
Ganyu makes no mistake, connects from the spot kick, and it's 1-0 for Kotoko.
Yeah, there was certainty in the strike, and you can see that.
Upon this time would not be lucky, but ball gladly fell to Imoro onto the head of Samuel Boateng, and it's Kotoko's second to wrap up the game in style.
Yeah, I mean, he was left free, completely free, and you can see that here upon causing lots of problems once more. The clearance just fell kindly to Imoro. Just look at Samuel drifting away from his marker